Yo, hello world. My name is Lloyd from the Philippines. In this video, I'm going to showcase the CS50 funnel project that I made. So the project I decided to make is a simple hangman game that you can play from the command line. So before I show you how to play the game, I'm just going to briefly showcase how I structure my code. So all the dependencies, the list, global list, the main function, and the three additional functions. So in order to play the game, you you first need to run the game, run the application. So upon running the application, you will be greeted with a hangman ASCII art and some word that you need to guess and some hints and wrong guess list. Well, if you want very comprehensive information about this application, you can just refer to the README file. Now, let's play the game. So every right guesses you make will replace the dashes and slowly reveal the word. Then every wrong guesses will be stored in this wrong guess list. Now the word is hardware. Alright? Yeah, this was CS50. Thank you.